Sorry, not sorry.
Touchdown.
I wasn't gonna say nothing, but it's on me heavy. I promise it's getting ridiculous after this drop. Do not.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I go by the Fashion Dial. What's up? Yes, I just got out the shower, so that's why I'm in my towel. But y'all, okay, so I don't know if this is a new vlog or if this is gonna be in the same vlog that I was just recording. So I just had to do an intro just in case. But I'm getting ready for a Drake concert. Yeah, that's cute. That'll do.
Or the other one.
You ain't showing me the other option. Let me see. So yeah, I'm getting ready for the Drake concert, y'all. I'm in the middle of doing my makeup. I just, like I said, just got out the shower. I moisturized. I'm about to put my face primer on and then finish my face. I did my eyebrows before I got in the shower and my lashes and all that stuff. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. It's so cute. I don't think I got time to do like a little outfit of the day like I want to do, but let's see. Hopefully. I should have been charging this. Y'all, this light is so bomb. This is linked in my Amazon storefront under YouTube Essentials. Baby, you get the best selfies with this. I'm telling you. This is a lifesaver. I see a total difference in my pictures. So if y'all ain't got one, get y'all one of these. You just clip it on your phone like so. And bam, bam, take your selfies. I need to charge this right quick. Matter of fact, let me show y'all what I'm wearing right quick. So, let me show y'all. I'm wearing this cute, like, what do you call this? It's like a denim corset. I guess that's what you call it. Then I'm wearing my new Coach bag. I got some accessories from Shein. This outfit will be linked on my Like to Know, y'all. I got some little gold anklets from Shein. I got two of the exact same ones. Some earrings. And then I got this little mini skirt. And it's like distressed. I'm gonna wear that. I'm doing basically denim on denim. And then I'm gonna wear these denim shoes that I got from Shein as well. So it's like a whole little denim look. I gotta drop my daughter off at my mom's house, so I'm about to hurry up and get myself together, and then I'll probably see y'all in the car or something. Hey y'all, so I'm dressed real quick. Outfit check. Oh, the baby in the back. My big baby. But we headed to the Drake concert, so glasses, Shein, little fit. I think I showed y'all. Didn't I show y'all this on the sofa? I think I did. So yeah, this is my outfit, cause I gotta go. So little skirt, Coach bag, my room junkie, shades, Shein. I usually love to clean up before I go out, but I ain't got time, so alright, I'll see y'all.
crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seat.
What's up, y'all? Oh my God, it's the next day. I have a horrible headache. I don't know. I think the music was like too loud. I had got a migraine. One side of my head hurt. It hurts really bad, but I just took something for it. I took something for it before I went to sleep last night. Still woke up with a headache. But anyway, y'all, recap on the Drake concert. Nice concert, but y'all, I had some pros and some cons. One thing I didn't like that the show started, well, the show supposed to start at 7, so they say. So normally they usually have like opening acts for them leading up into the main act, right? This man had us sitting there to about 8, 9 o'clock, maybe 9 o'clock. Somebody came on stage. It was a Jamaican rapper. He came on stage for a minute, did some songs. He disappeared. So it was like another hour in between before Drake came on stage. And I was just like, that was just so freaking exhausting sitting there that whole time, y'all. I'm old. I was nodding off. I'm like, that was wrong. Like, that man know that that man knew he should have had some opening acts. Oh, let me tell y'all what happened, y'all. So I got this little dude that I mess with. You know how you got that main dude you mess with heavy more than other people? Let me tell y'all something. I haven't heard from this man in a whole week, y'all. I'm at a point in my life, like, I'm not chasing no man. I don't care about the whys, like why you ain't contact me, what's going on. So, you know, I just left it at that. I was like, okay, it is what it is. A week later, he called. I didn't answer. He called again like the next day. I didn't answer. He texted me like, oh, so you acting funny now? I didn't respond because I'm like, how am I acting funny? Like, you didn't reach out to me in the whole week. Mind y'all, the last time I did talk to him, I was the one that reached out to him. I asked him like what he was doing. Did he want to see me or whatnot? And he was like, yeah, the day came. I ain't hear nothing from him. So, you know, I'm like, okay. So then this man proceeds to say, well, you know, I had tickets to the Drake concert. I had floor seats. I was calling to give you a ticket, you know, so you could be down there with me, blase, blase. And I'm like, you know what? You should have texted me that because I would have answered if I known Drake was involved. These men nowadays, 2023, they want to be chased. They want you calling them. They want you asking them out. They want you to pursue them. Instead of it being both ways, like I pursue you, you try to pursue me, it's equal love on both parts. They just want it to be one-sided. It's not gonna happen. My thing is, I'm big on energy. The energy you give me, I'm gonna give you. The energy you're not giving me, I'm not gonna give you. And that's what it is. So if I'm funny acting, then what the hell that makes you? It is what it is, like I said. But y'all, that's the little recap. I'm making my daughter breakfast right now. I'm about to make her some eggs. I made her some sausage. I'm about to clean my house up. Oh, some eggs right here. I'm about to clean my house up and just chill, y'all. What's up, y'all? It's July the 12th. It's a couple of days since I've been back on the camera to talk to y'all. Oh, this is looking crispy clear. I got a different SIM card and I'm really starting to see the difference. Quality is given on this one. But anyway, y'all. So yeah. Today's Wednesday. I got a pretty busy day, I guess. I was supposed to go to Sephora. I wanted to get like a new foundation. Yeah, so when I go out of town, I just wanted something new. The foundation that I have, I'm really tired of using. I think I use Maybelline. What is it? Matte and Poreless. I like it, but I just want something new. And then the NARS reflecting, what is it? Reflecting glow or something like that. That shit really make you glow. It makes me oily. So I need something that's not gonna make my skin oily. Me and my mom, we were supposed to meet up. She was gonna help me pick out a foundation and I don't know what's going on with that. Y'all, I just spent $300 on Amazon. Why? I just ordered like 24 pieces of the grass wall. I'm hoping that's enough. I'm gonna make it enough because that was like a little pricey. What else? I ordered some hair because I need some hair for when I go out of town. I want some knotless goddess braids. I was supposed to get that Man, I was supposed to get that like months ago. I had tried this new hairdresser, and at the last minute, she didn't have my hair. She was supposed to provide the hair. She had me go to the beauty supply to go get me some hair. She had gave me a discount. It was a lot going on. She ain't had the boho hair. So I was like, you know what, just give me some regular braids. I don't have time for that. So we're gonna try it again. What else, y'all? So I had ordered that, and then I ordered some air tags for my luggage. So God, y'all, I feel like I'm just all over the freaking place right now. I need to clean up my space where I'll be recording. So like I said, we gonna do that in another video. I want to do like a whole recording setup or whatever. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all some Shein finds that I recently purchased, and I'll probably take pictures of these and post it on my Like to Know. So I got this little metallic corset. I don't know why I'm into corsets, but y'all, where I'm wearing this to? Like, for real, where am I wearing this to? I really don't know. Like, I will wear this out, but I think I just want to take pictures in this. I really bought this to take pictures in. So yeah, it's cute. Maybe I'll wear it one day. Might go old school on that ass and put like a little button up under here one day when it get colder. But I got that, y'all. Sponges, Shein, y'all. I think this was like $1 or something. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You did 12 for like $1 with some change. Not bad. I got that mop. I think it's called, what is it? The cedar mop. I think that's what it's called, cedar mop. And they be having like the little mop heads. So I got a new mop head. I got blue. They got white. They got all different colors for you to choose from. And then, let me show y'all. Oh, I got this thumb toe ring. This is so freaking cute. Let me show y'all this. I'm gonna pop a picture. But this is for your big toe. Can y'all see that? Y'all probably can't see it. Let me put it on my toe. Oh my God, this is cute. Can y'all see that? I got that. I got these. I wore this with that outfit I wore to the Drake concert. It's just some gold ankle bracelets. If you can see, I had got 2 of these. These were sold separate, y'all. And then the other thing I got, I'm gonna just show y'all when I do my pack with me video. Gotta go. I'm about to get off this camera. I really need to finish my little recording space. It's just a few more things I need to get. I'm having a hard time finding a makeup chair. Like, I wish I would have just got that pink makeup chair that I seen at Burlington at one time. So, I'm gonna talk to y'all later.
Hey dolls, I had
look right here.
I had some buns on my hair, cause mommy, she had to do my hair, but now it's all nice now, cause tomorrow we going to Target and she said I can pick out the toy.
I did not say that. No,
that's exciting. And yeah, I'm so excited to get a toy. And hi again.
All right, so we're about to make dessert. So I seen this on Instagram. So you need graham crackers, the Hershey's cookies and cream bar, marshmallows, and chocolate chip cookie dough. So we had all the ingredients because we're about to bake some. So let me turn the oven on. Oh my God.
What? Aren't you excited? You gotta be excited. My sister.
So y'all, this the video right here. I had saved it. You know, doing all wrong with the best stroke. I hope I don't get a copyright. That look good. So let's go, y'all. Let's go.
They do anything for clout. Anything. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'm still scared what it
Alright, y'all, so the cookies are done. And they look pretty damn good, y'all.
Oh,
can't wait to try them.
goodness. Look at that.